Alright, so today I'll be looking through the J client. This is Jones, and I'm the lead developer of this project. And basically it's a way to have a web wallet for NXT where all of your passwords and important information are stored locally. But you can still use web wallets to do whatever you need to do. So scroll down here and to download, and you can either download or try it online. I'll decide to download. And of course my network's not going to work for me, is it? Come on, you can do it. There we go. There we go. Alright, downloaded 2 of them. That's nice. So I will open this, and this is our page. So everything happens in this pop-out. I have this nice little pop-out for you that has opens up on account tab. It wants us to start an account. So this is where all of your passwords are held. So I'll start a new account, and it wants us to give it a PIN that'll be storing all of the data for it. So I start with 42. Why not? And this is my address for NXT, and I also have a recovery key. The recovery key allows you to, you should write it down, and it allows you to import in accounts and export accounts, and it also works as an NXT secret phrase, so you can use it in NRS. So I will add this account, and it's successfully in there. So also I will do always on top, so I can change tabs easily and it'll still stay here. That's always nice. Let's not have this account, let's fund it. Here's my other account with normal NRS, so I'll send some money to it. Get the address, plop it down in there. I'll ignore public key. I'll give 110 NXT, and I'll send that right along, on its way. And let's see if it's going to be a long block or not. Alright, so that block went through. I'm getting cursed with long blocks these days. And alright, now that that's through, we can go back to the original page. And now I have, once you have it running, I do try out a new client. So the proof of concept wallet. So the wallet will create these transactions that we process through this. So it wants us to get the token of the word wallet. So token is an interesting thing that I think is very useful. Why did I type in token? That it allows you to create passwords for individual services without the services ever needing to collect those passwords or store them. You can just use passwords that are derived from this account and then use them for services. I'll create this, put in my 42, and then I have my token, which is this string of letters. Then I can put it in here, and then I continue, and it gives me my 110 NXT. Very cool. That's my account ID. If I had any assets, they would be in here, same with currencies, and if I had set up my account information, it'd have name and description. So this is just a proof of concept of what J can do. It has the potential to use all transaction types, and I'll be making some cooler wallets in the future. So I'm going to test it out by sending a few NXT back to myself. And I'm going to leave some NXT in this account, so if you go back and find the recovery key from earlier in the video and plug it into an NXT, either an NXT client or a J client, and then there'll be some NXT for you. So the first one to get that, good luck. So here's that. I'll send 10 NXT. I can add a message. I'll send that to me, and that creates, so basically J is based around all of these TX codes. So this TX code is the text representation of the data that I just gave it. So it's the text form of send 10 NXT to this address with this message. And I can feed it into here. It allows TX format, unsigned transaction bytes, NXT address, public key. Other cool thing is I can just put a public key or an NXT address in here, and then it automatically allows me to do a quick send. I'll let you guys figure that out. And then I can put this in here, continue, So this is my review. So it allows you to safely create transactions, because even if this was infected and gave me, maybe it put this address as something else so it would take my money, I'd easily be able to see it here, and I could still safely use my wallet. So now I see it's the right place and the message is the right thing, so I can continue. Ask me to put in my PIN again. All right. It creates this, and then I have my signed transaction, and I can broadcast it. And this is my transaction ID, and it went through. So now I close that out, and that is it. So that's how you could use J and the basics, and I'll have more wallets up soon. So have fun with it. Goodbye.